What's up, everybody? It's Tyler again, and today I'm going to be showing you guys what covered calls is and how you can consistently make money every single week with this. So, covered calls, basically, what covered calls is you need to own 100 shares of a company, and you are selling someone the right to buy your shares from you at a certain price at a certain date. So, let me break this down for you. So, American Airlines company is currently trading at $13.56. You own 100 shares of it. You can sell those 100 shares at the current price is now $13.56, or you can sell a covered call. So you would go here, you'd hit sell call, and you'd click this button right here. This is basically saying you're willing to sell 100 shares of American Airlines at $14 a share on September 4th. So if American Airlines stays at $13.56 or goes up to $13.99 or goes down anywhere, they gave you $45 and you keep that money no matter what. So whether the stock goes up to 100, it goes down to zero, no matter what happens to the stock, you keep that $45. That $45 in your pocket. Now, here's where it gets a little tricky. If American Airlines goes to $14.50, you have to sell those shares at 14. So you got 45 cents per, but you sell it at 14. So technically your break even point right here is $14.45 per. So this is basically a way just to get some guaranteed money every week. If you're not going for a ton of money, or if you think, I don't know if the stock's going to move a lot, it might go down, it might go up a little bit. It might just stay exactly where it is. You should sell these because you're getting free premium every single week to hold your shares. So, worst case scenario, American Airlines goes up to like $15 a share. Okay? And you have to give those 100 shares at 14. So, pros and cons. Pros, you get money no matter what for just holding it. So you get a free $45 instantly. There's a big chance, majority of the time, you keep your shares and you got paid to do nothing. The con is if American Airlines goes on a big run and goes up to $15 a share or $14.50, well, you have to cut your gains at $14 a share. So you'll make from $13.50 to 14. So you'll make, if you have 100 shares, you'll make $50. But you won't make anything above that. So you'll make the $50 in appreciation, you make the 45 from your premium, if that makes sense. So, but anything above 14, you don't get anymore. Okay, that's the risk. That's the downside of it. But if you want to do something safe, this is the perfect thing because you get guaranteed money every week, and you can do this. If you see, you can do this every single week. And let's say you want to go out like September 18th. You want to do 3 weeks out. Well, you do 14, you're going to get $97 for that now. So you get a lot more premium for that. The longer it goes out, the shorter it is, the less premium you get because it's expiring quickly. So there's a bunch of them to do on. Like I said, I do American Airlines. I do TNA. I mostly sell puts on TNA. TQQ is another good one that has a lot of. You get a lot of money for TQQ. It costs a lot more. You need $15,000, but you can get $600 right there instantly every week from it. But yeah, you can make some good money on these, and there's a lot of different companies you can do it on. Some companies, it's impossible to unless you have, a ton of money. $200 something thousand for Tesla. You would need $50,000 for Apple. Like you need a lot of money for some, but some you don't. But guys, this is a great way just to make some, guaranteed money every single week. And that's awesome. Like that's a great way just to make some guaranteed money. So I definitely recommend taking advantage of this. Start off with some small stocks. If you guys don't have a lot of money in your account, do something small like Ford. Buy 100 shares of Ford. It costs $690. You go here to sell calls. You do it for $7. You'll get $11 for it. It's not a lot, but we're timesing this by weeks. You can do this 52 times a year. You're gonna get a lot more than 11 cents usually, especially if it's on an up day. But that's a cheap stock. Like if you find another one that you can put your money into that's not as expensive, you can do that. So, guys, this is a great way to make some just, easy money every week, very safe. And no matter if the market goes up or down, you make money no matter what. You're not going to be making a lot, but at least you're getting something guaranteed every single week, which is good because you can use that money to do whatever you want. You can pay your bills for it. You can go buy yourself a nice pair of shoes, do whatever you want with that money. I know I personally set up my Robinhood card on my, so Robinhood will give you debit cards, and any of the money in my account, I can then use that to go to a store. So if I sell a put or I sell a call on something and I get that $50, I can go to Wegmans or any food store and, buy food with that from that card. It's actually pretty sick. So I mean, this is real money, guys. Like, you guys can literally make this money. And I definitely take advantage of this because it's truly an amazing thing. And knowledge is power, guys. And this is knowledge right here, you know? So do some research on it if you guys want. But this is what I do. This is one of the biggest strategies that I do, that I've been able to make so much money over the past couple of years by just doing simple strategies like this and really building it up. In the next video, I'll talk to you guys about how I made the money that I have at the age I am, and give you guys some tips on mine that I've learned for myself. But anyways, guys, have a great day, and I'll see you in the next video. Bye.